Hi guys, today we're gonna be doing, let me appear offline real quick. Hi guys, today we're gonna be doing office stuff, so let's get on to it. So what we're gonna be making for this. So I got a bag of key cards. Get another bag real quick. Get that. Get an egg. Trust me, you'll know in a little bit while I grab the egg. Thank you. Now for some protection. I'm stuck. I did. My eye was hurting a little bit, so I rubbed it. What was that? Alright, let's go to the. So we got the we got the bone, we got the egg, and we got the card. Oh, now we got the machine. You guys might be wondering, hey, why are you going to the machine? Why are you doing trash? Going to the machine without ducks or any trash? I'll just tell you why in a minute. So you see that, right? See that? If I take this egg out, good boy. Put that egg in there. Boom! Look at that! Look at that! It's already full. Isn't that cool? Then I put that in there. This makes things so much easier. I guess that doesn't work. What's up, Gary? What? No. Look, guys, I can outrun this little kid. All I gotta do is fuck. Also, I just died. So what I'm gonna do, you know that bag full of cards? Right? I'm gonna fill. Where's the bag full of key cards? And the bag full of eggs. 6. And now we're gonna do different items. So what we're gonna do first is let's do a heart gun. Police shield. Police baton. So that's 3 things. What? Crowbar. That's good. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Alright. Also, guys, sorry I haven't been posting. I've been busy with things. I'm just kidding. I just don't have anything to do otherwise. And I'm just bored. Also, I will be pushing more shorts. So stay tuned for that. But I'm not happy that Jacob from Remy quit. I don't really like that. They're my favorite. They're my favorite. Jacob and Remy. They're pretty good. I like them. Been following them for 20 years. Why is she following me? Stop following me. So yeah. I'm not really happy about that. Let's go. So we got to go down. So first, mini broccoli time. Oh wait, I forgot. Ooh. Alright, so egg. Right. Oh wait, that's not good. Yep, it's full. Just go to this. We need a platform. Not there. Up here, right here. Just do it right here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Alright, these eggs are gonna have to be a little careful. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, key card. So I'm gonna do. We're gonna go egg, item, key card. 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 Now I'll put this small broccoli in there. Keep that up here. Really? Nothing again? Well, we already know what's gonna happen. No, the key card. Shut up. Shut up. Come on, go back up there. I'm gonna shoot him. Oh my god! That's not good. God damn! Chill out. Dude, that thing is so... Oh, thank God. It's done, bro. Bro, I didn't even know he was gonna be right there. I thought I would be able to get up. I'd be able to pull up a shotgun. Dude, I hate that he can come in there. So annoying. At least I got here back. Got here back, that's good. Alright, now I gotta find my bag. That's the most important thing. Oh wait, no, the right shield. It's probably up here. Oh, it's right there. Yeah. Go up. Everything should be good. Now I gotta do it. Go put this right shield in. Well, every time it does that, it doesn't work. I think it'll work. I'm pretty sure. Yep. Like always. Oh my god. We can't put anything in this thing. Shush. I'm getting mad because oh, finally! Crowbars. No, I wasn't getting anything. No. Alright guys, we got one successful thing. We got crowbars. Guys, we got colored. Yep. At least something worked. Alright, now we got a ray gun. Nice. I already know that's gonna work. A ray gun. What the? First try. Our guys are starting to get lucky. We have a couple more left. So that's what we got so far. I'm pretty sure this will work, but we can at least try. Okay. Alright, so that's all. All this stuff I might have collected for now. So let's put all these bombs. This is probably not gonna work, but at least I tried. Yep. Hi guys. So, I am going to be leaving this game and running, so I'll record right. Alright guys, so we have officially, oh wait, let me be offline. We have officially completed all of this. Look at all of that stuff. So we got crowbars. Look at this. Look at all them ray guns. And now we're gonna go to my brother's lobby and see what he thinks about this stuff. Let's see what my brother thinks about this stuff. Hey!
What, fat ass?
Rude. And also I'm recording. What do you think about the stuff? The stuffs. Don't take anything.
I'll take everything. Wait. That's
I think he went to
Well guys, I'm gonna be right back. Well,
go.
That stinky man is in here.
I'm not stinky. Well done. I'm gonna go and give away some of this stuff. Let's see. I'll be keeping the ones that I want and the giving the ones that I don't want away. Definitely want this one. Want this small one. This one. And oh, definitely I'm taking these 2 crowbars. The rest of this stuff can be given away. What? Alright, so now what we're gonna do is let's join the screen. Does anyone
Wait, who wants to trade? Wait, who's trading? Who's trading? Who's trading?
Me.
Oh my god, it's a hard cut. There's no way.
What do you have? What do you have?
I have big pumpkin snowball and a lot of other stuff.
I'll give you a mini galaxy.
Mine, bro.
Or something.
Mine, bro.
A mini galaxy. Alright, bet. Alright, join me. Join me. Just follow my fingers. Alright, the code is. Don't be, I just wanna chill. Gotta say, bro.
No, also fan code Cool Cat. Oh, sorry, I forgot the intro. Well, we did that, and went to office, and I did another video. So, Cool Cat out.